Guys, what's up? Jay Ray back here, and I'm gonna do a topic that I've actually been wanting to do for a really long time, but I never got around to it because I've been too crazy. But this is going to be how to fake sneeze, girls edition. Because a long time ago on how to fake sneeze, I had someone ask if it was necessary to do all the things that were required, if it was applied to a female. No, it is not necessary. It's not necessary to flail your head around every time you sneeze or exaggerate the fake sneeze and make it sound like an actual sneeze. For some girls, you can just go, or in this case for girls, that was a little too well done. So, yeah, it's not necessary to do quick, jaggering motions. Oh crap, I just dabbed continuously, didn't I? That's the end of the video. Okay. But in retrospect, um, yeah, you don't have to do the things I listed before. I know I'm very repetitive because there's not much that you can do for a female sneeze. I mean, if you girls want to try and fake sneeze your way out of a situation, you can just do some of those things, but at the same time, you don't have to do it in that manly manner like us guys do when we want to be stupid idiots and just exaggerate everything that we do. But yeah, just like dinner table, just napkin in hand and although you can't just go I go so yeah, all that hair's doing something awful today. But yeah, all that, just tone it down. I mean, depending on the situation, yeah, tone it down. But if you're out in the open and you want to make a scene, then yes, Harold, you can make a scene by sneezing as loud with snot flying everywhere as you exaggerate your mucus flying specialty everywhere. I'm gonna shut up now. So, I hope this actually helped satisfy your guys' need for a video because it's been a long time. I'm aware of that. I actually have a contact of mine on my Skype that actually misses my work and what I do. So, as you can probably tell, yes, there was a lot of video edits in this because I dropped the camera a lot. And if you want to see the bloopers for it, I'll work on that because there was a lot going on in this one. But if you're new to the channel, you can drop the like button down there, give me a like if you liked it. If you thought I was cringy, give it a like. If you thought I was really cringy, comment with a like. Or if you want to see more cringy videos, you can just subscribe to the little button that's going to be on this side of the screen that's next to my icon. Or you can just click my name and do the hard way. Just click my name, go to the channel, and then click the button. Because I don't have enough things to do for the annotations of the links. Because, you know, too much work. You know, because you can just scroll down or pan up and just press that little button. You know, just a beep and a beep and a beep. Anyway, hope you enjoyed and have a good day, night, evening, brunch, lunch, whatever. Later.